Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up payroll in QuickBooks Desktop. First, you will select your preferred payroll service option directly within the software. Next, gather all your crucial company details, such as your employer identification number and legal business name. Finally, begin entering each employee's personal information, including their full name, address, and their specific pay rate. This initial setup is vital for accurate and efficient payroll processing. Now, let's dive deeper into the specifics. Accurately input your company's legal name and physical address. You'll also need to provide your 9-digit federal employer identification number. For each employee, enter their full name, social security number, and their original hire date. Don't forget to specify their pay frequency, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, to ensure timely payments. This detailed information forms the backbone of your payroll system. Next, we'll configure your payroll items and tax settings. You'll define various payroll items, such as hourly wages, fixed salaries, and any commissions. It's crucial to accurately set up both federal and state tax liabilities to ensure correct deductions from employee paychecks. Additionally, configure any other deductions, like health insurance premiums or retirement plan contributions. This step ensures compliance and proper financial management for your business. Finally, it's time to run your first payroll. Before processing, meticulously review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Then, use the Payroll Center to create paychecks for all your employees. Once approved, you can either print physical checks or process direct deposits. Remember to generate comprehensive payroll reports to effectively track your expenses and tax liabilities. This ensures a smooth and compliant payroll cycle for your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.